Just a fucking smidge. All right, that's as far as it'll go. I can't push it any farther. So now I'm going to hook the hose back up. It's hard to do this with one hand and show everybody at the same time. So there's the connection. Now it doesn't face the same way. It's not the same angle. I'm going to hook the hose on it. Okay, I gotta set the foam down to try to plug that hose in for a second. Okay, anyway. Fucking clamp. Damn clamp. Piece of little shit clamp. I hate these little things. They're hard to grab. All right, I gotta pause. I gotta go get something. Okay, we're back. So now we're just gonna put the hose on there. I just had to go get a pair of pliers. So I'll put the hose on it. We'll look at it again. It takes two hands to do this because you got to hold this big ass wire loom out of the way. Let me back off this little fucking clamp piece of shit thing. And turn it down too. Ah, fuck you. There we go. Turn you down. Get you up. Okay, I'm gonna reroute this way. All right, we got the hose on there. Now we got the hose on it. We just got to clamp it. Okay, so now that's all put back together. I gotta turn this phone around. I keep hitting the camera side. So all that's back together, and that's what it now looks like. So instead of that tube being pointed to the firewall, it's now pointed towards the brake booster. So it's back in. It seems to be locked in place. It's not. I can't pull it out. And so I don't see any other vacuum issues. I looked at all the lines, make sure I know that these are all in. We replaced them one at a time, so I couldn't have got those out of whack. I'm trying to think of what other vacuum I have. I got that vacuum checked. That's all checked. These vacuums are in place. That goes over to here. And that one's on. That one's in place where it plugs in there. I'm probably missing some, but those are the main ones that I see. That's my truck light. That wouldn't have anything to do with it. All right, I don't think there's going to be any difference, but put the air cleaner back on and see what she does. Make sure this hose over here stays plugged in. All right, that looks like it's sitting properly at least. right, well, it's all put back together. Like I said, it's not a hard thing to do. It's just, but I don't understand.